did y'all find me? It's been almost 2 months since I uploaded. I know. What was the last upload? We said moving into a crib and radio silence for a month and a half, almost 2 months. And my DMs is flooded every day. Where's the next video? Y'all gotta go to the thrift. Please upload a YouTube vid. Hurry up. Look, my mom watches these vids. She told me I can't come home until the video come out. I'm not even lying. I'm not even lying. She called me the other day. She said, I didn't know my son was so lazy. I said, okay, Mom. But look, to make up for it, I've got something to show y'all. Come on. I know it's been a while, but like. Welcome to my crib.
Hey!
What's going on, man?
What's going on,
What's going on, man?
Watching Top Tour podcast.
Wow.
What I always do on a Friday afternoon.
This is a talent.
Skibbity Riz.
Go. In Ohio. Phantom Tax. Cincinnati.
Duke Dennis,
man. Welcome to the spot. You know what I'm saying? We're here.
Woo,
we're here,
man.
Get the surrounding scenery. Don't get the couch. We got the manga. We got the MLK.
He had a dream. Don't get the couch.
There's nothing on the couch. Get the couch.
There ain't nothing on the couch.
There's no couch. There's not even a couch. Bro, stop. Our son's here, and we did decide on a name. We were looking through the comments, and we saw one that just really stuck out to us, and we went with it. You want to reveal?
Yep.
You want to reveal Coconut Nigga?
I'll say it.
All right.
His official name
real
is Patrick.
That wasn't his real name.
I liked Patrick.
Who called it? Nobody called. Did you call him Patrick?
Well, I just made an executive decision and said Patrick.
We've been calling him Pickpocket for a month and a half.
Pickpocket, I've just never really been a fan. I just thought I'd just drop it on camera.
Anyways, you feel me? We're the Shoplifters, and this is our Pickpocket. You feel me? So it's like a little bitty Pickpocket, cute little name, and cute little baby. First child in the spot. But Shoplifters wouldn't be complete without Warman himself.
Yes, sir.
Jonah B.
Oh shit, what is that? Damn, this looks pretty cool. You should probably go get it. The place to go get it is on the screen right now.
Feel me? My nigga Jonah be eating this shit.
I didn't eat today. The eater of the group.
This like his. I ain't gonna lie. Every day I wake up, I just see Jonah standing right here eating the sandwich.
Not talking about the sandwich. This looks hard. Like even on him, I'm seeing it.
I should definitely go to like shoplifters.myshopify.com or whatever the link may be.
It's link will actually be. But y'all are looking at it though. Y'all are looking at it. It's right here.
Whoa.
I might move it and pass it over there.
Oh, it's right here. It's right here. Go shop, go cop,
and tag us.
Yeah, tag us, and we thank you for everyone who has copped.
Feel me? Well, welcome to our crib. Honestly, like, it wouldn't be complete without one more shoplifter.
I think we're complete right now.
You think so?
Yeah.
Steve, you want to join? I really feel like 4 like just evens it out, makes it a little better.
Really, guys?
I wonder what this noise could be. Hey!
I guess I'll just play the guitar again. Yeah, how y'all doing, man? Hey!
Yo, why your glasses, bro?
Welcome to the crib, man. Welcome to the crib. Yeah, sorry, I was playing guitar and shit. What y'all went over already?
Oh, huh?
Y'all told him Jonah's the eater of the crib?
Nah, we didn't.
I did mention that.
Could you reiterate though?
Oh, Jonah's the eater of the crib. Like, you wake up 3 a.m., Jonah just be there eating a sandwich in the kitchen counter. It'd be crazy.
Amongst other things.
He be eating a lot of things on our kitchen counter.
Alright.
Ain't that right? Come on, give me some.
Shit, while you're here, I might as well show you guys around. Come on in. Come on in. Bitch ass, that nigga's a hoe, bro. So this is the just get a little pan view right here. Pan around. This the love layer. We got our very special bed right here, limited edition. Shout out Chai. That's me. That's Jonah, Soul Eater. I'm a Soul Eater fan.
Oh.
Yeah, sorry. What's in the fridge? What's in the fridge? What's in the fridge, man?
Hey, nigga, your room not that big. Ain't that much space to go
So
around.
now let me show you the heavy artillery to protect the nigga. What the fuck wrong with you, boy? I'm gonna do my shit, nigga. Everybody to their room now. Go to your fucking room. Go to the room, man. Back to what I was saying. Here we got the closet, man. You know what I'm saying? Lots of assortments of clothes and whatnot. That's my little hat top right there. All my little hats and stuff. If you know me, you know I like hats. If you got any crochet hats that you wanna, I like crochet hats. To the bathroom. Look, there's Steve. There you go, Steve. Every day I wake up and I wanna look at encouraging words on my motherfucking goddamn shower curtain. Courage, motivation, justice, courage. Let me know what else I need to put in my room. I'm supposed to have a really nice rug right here, but don't look at that rug. That's not the good rug. Lots of open space, lots of walls that need to be filled, lots of stuff that needs to be done. But yeah, that's really my room. Let's go see what Jonah's room is looking like. Come on, man.
All right, that should be good. All right, what's up, team? Today we're gonna be checking out my room. As you can see, gotta have a mirror, show off the fits. You know what I'm saying? Today we in some casual stuff. Right here, painting number 1. Don't tell nobody. Got it off Google. Right here, shout out Chai. Chai, cook it up. Peep the details. Jonah, I Heart Jesus. JAEW. Shout out the guys. This is the centerpiece, like just really the centerpiece of like everything in here. Like we gonna go bit by bit. So amen, brother. We got the Bible down there. You know what I'm saying? Next we got the fragrances. So we tried putting the shelf up. Shelf just fell. Live. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fill this whole thing up with Funko Pops. It's gonna look fine. It's gonna look fine. But that one's staying. They didn't get it, but that one just fell. Like literally just fell right now. So I ain't gonna lie. We gonna scrap that whole thing. Comment what should go right here, because I have no idea. Lastly, we got the bathroom. You know, skincare very important. Everything very important. We got mouthwash, make sure your breath don't stink. Gotta have your water flosser. Just be clean, like, you know what I'm saying? Just make sure that you're a real, like, clean, take care of your hygiene type person, bro. And that's all for me, so let's go see what Wabe doing. Wabe, what you doing?
Oh, hey, nothing, man. Just watching over some clips from our live streams that we be doing over on Twitch. Come on, watch it with me.
Hey, happy 9/11 day, y'all. Wait, no, no.
Please don't say nothing. Bro. Oh, damn, nigga. Damn.
We're doing shit in this Shrek Swamp, nigga. Bitches, fuck.
What you ate, nigga?
Somebody smell like shit!
Hey, looking for the shit topics. Where y'all niggas at, nigga? Nigga, I'ma fuck your father. Nigga, I'ma whoa, wait.
There's a child in your closet. Oh, never mind.
What the fuck? There's no child in my closet. They just made that up.
For you, my heart.
They just made that up. There's no child in my closet. There's no child in my closet. They made that up. That was a lie.
It's forever, and I don't know what I'm fighting for. I don't think I could love you more. It might not be long, but baby, I love you till the day that I die.
That shit.
It's your day, bro. It's your day. Happy go day, bro.
Yeah,
Happy get O's day, man.
Hell yeah, I appreciate
Happy
it.
get O's day, bro.
Hey, I appreciate
Happy
it.
taking that pussy day.
I thank you, sir. I appreciate it. When we fucking, I'll be catching.
Man, I got
Oh my God, just get a fucking.
That was somebody cut that shit.
Till the day that I die. Till the day that I die. Till the day that I die.
Happy go day.
Hey, thanks,
I think I gotta get one tonight.
Hey, my roommate's birthday. Hey, bro, I appreciate that, buddy. Hell yeah.
Happy September 3rd.
Hell yeah.
Happy streaming on September 3rd, which happens to be your birthday.
Hell yeah. Yeah, make sure y'all follow us on there to stay updated. Matter of fact, if you haven't already, just subscribe. The stats say not all of y'all watching be subscribed. I don't actually have no clue what the percent of subscribed people are, but other YouTubers be saying that in their vids. So I'm just assuming a lot of y'all that watching are subscribed type shit. So you know what I'm saying? This is my room. First things first, we got it. What y'all doing?
We reorganizing your closet.
Yeah.
Reorganizing.
Yeah. You asked us to do that earlier.
Nah.
Yeah.
My closet was pretty organized. Why you got my Pradas?
Which
And why you got my Yeezy boots?
Just living up to the name.
Alright, I'll let you do your room tour, bro. I'll be on my way out.
Wait, my shoes,
No, you good, bro.
my stuff. Why are y'all taking my shoes?
Take one.
Why? You didn't even take the pair. You just took one foam runner. First things first. You probably like, what the hell is that bright ass blue light? It's the gang, Wet Lip Gang. You know what I'm saying? That's the OG community. You feel me? Newer watchers might not know what that means, or you know what I'm saying. But WLG stands for Wet Lip Gang. You feel me? You gotta keep your moisturization on you at all times. You might ask you, why do you have such a big tub of Vaseline with you? But the better question is, why do I have 2? But here's my room. First thing you probably notice is this huge setup. This is where the magic gets done. Feel me? Streams, everything, you know.
Baddie hub.
Little verse right here, you feel me? Soundproof padding, cause people be talking about something, they be hearing us and shit. So
I heard you'll be jumping and shit.
I got like some sound. Yeah, that's what the soundproof padding for. So like one day I was on stream, they talking about, some people came knocking on the door talking about something. Yo, y'all be jumping and shit. Stop that. First of all, I don't be jumping. We jumped. Guilty. I jumped, but like I don't be jumping. What you mean I be jumping? Anyways, look, it's gonna fit crop tee. Make sure y'all cop. I don't know how many times we're gonna have to tell y'all in this video. Cop it. Cop the damn crop top. Shouts out One Piece, the best anime of all time, best manga of all time. Debate your mama. We come to the counter over here once again. Shouts out One Piece. This is the kindest birthday gift anybody's ever gotten me. Look at Luffy right there holding the lightning bolt. This is my little messy but not too messy type desk. Everything goes here, to be honest. Everything I can't put on my PC desk, it goes over here, bruh. This wall a little bit a little bare. Was that mine? You have a bathroom? What?
I just went fat. Yo.
So you just
go.
First of all, the door was open. You just used my bathroom. It's 3 of us here, completely door. What if I just walked in there for the video while you was using it?
Go subscribe to the OnlyFans coming soon.
I feel like I didn't interrupt y'all like this during y'all room tour.
You didn't.
So why y'all doing this to me?
I had to piss.
You have a bathroom.
I was
He
here.
has your shoes on.
What the fuck are you talking about? Dude, these aren't yours.
Can I have my shoes back? Why did you switch my shoes? These aren't mine either.
Yes, they are.
These are mine. These are his.
You had white ones the whole time.
Did you tell him about the sign?
Yes.
Did you tell him about your
Can I have my shoes back?
Bro, give him the shoes back, bro.
And you took my shoes too.
There he go jumping.
Bro, I'm
You
sorry.
see, he just be
So you
jumping
jumping
and
and
shit.
shit.
Y'all give me like some room decoration like ideas, cause right here I need something to put on this wall. I'm thinking maybe like a mirror, but I don't even know. But like some tapestry. Like imagine like there's a cool ass tapestry. Come here. Look at that. Imagine like a cool ass tapestry right here. Like so like I don't know. Give me some ideas. Actually, I forgot to tell y'all we have a PO box, Shoplyfters PO box. Address in the description. Make sure y'all send us stuff. I haven't promoted this in any video. We've had a PO box for a while. Look, y'all gotta have 2 hampers. One for your white clothes, one for everything else. Feel me? It just makes laundry so much easier. Bag down there, cause you feel me? We be traveling, catching flights, not feelings and shit. But that's my room. Really not shit else to show. We got a bathroom, but let me know what else I should get in my room. If y'all have any ideas or want to send me things to put up, like art, shelves, drip, anything really, any ideas, just go ahead and send it to the BO box. Send shit for all of us. Unless you want to send something for Jonah. Hey, that's this guy. Next room, only room left.
Hey.
Go ahead. Go to your fucking room. Well, that's fine.
Let's just fucking. All right, man. It's my turn for my room. This is my room, y'all. My humble abode, man. As you see, the lamp right here, get that nice ambient lighting. Right? That's how you say that. This is my studio setup. You feel me? You see the audio interface. This is where all the magic happens. This is where the hits are made, man. Go tap into the music, man. As you can see up there, you can see yourself, man. Also got Wayne Enterprises right there. Holographic Batman, what is that called? Like picture thing? Show them both sides though. You gotta lean with it. You feel what I'm saying? They can see that. It's holographic and shit, yeah. And then we got this right here. Notice, do not carry children while on skates, man. I stole that from my old job. I used to work at a skating rink. Now I don't. I stole that. If they watching this right now, I stole it. Come arrest me. I got it. Y'all see the wallpaper right here. I also got this right here. So if y'all don't know, I do like Superman. He's my favorite superhero. Y'all see the shelves too? Yes, they're like vinyl. What do you call these? Like records? Yeah, it's like, yeah, kind of shelves and shit. Those are pretty cool. I've seen those on Etsy. But yeah, my room's not too crazy. Over there, I have real vinyls. I got Views and For Your Eyes Only on vinyl, man. I feel like my room is nice. Like, I like my room. I'm not gonna lie. Do you catch the rug? But this wall right here, in my opinion, like I think it needs some more shit. So like Wabe was just saying, if y'all want to throw some stuff in the PO box for me, you know what I'm saying? Like niggas don't be wanting to send me shit, but I would appreciate like if y'all wanted to draw
As long
me,
as it's not for Jonah.
if y'all wanted to draw me or something, or like
As long as it's not for Jonah. As long as you're not drawing Jonah.
But yeah, if you want to get me some, fill up this wall, man, or that wall even. You know what I'm saying? That wall, either of those would be perfectly fine. This is the blick. Gotta make sure that I always keep that. I keep this under my pillow for safety and whatnot, cause they be lurking at nighttime. This is my closet, man. It's nothing too crazy, but I just packed this Wabe shit. I got all this extra shit right here, but that's from moving in and shit. We just settled. As you can see, we have this guitar right here.
Whoa, what's on your bag?
Huh?
What's on your bag?
What you mean?
Your cape. What was that?
I don't have a cape on. What are you talking? Those boys are such pranksters. Somebody must have put this on my back. But hey, now that you've seen it again, go ahead and cop the shirt, man.
They put that on his back, but y'all should put that on your body.
Come on.
Link in the description.
Tag us. Everybody who gets it, tag us. We'll repost it.
Well, you're entered for a raffle for $1,000 bajillion from Earl.
Nod your head.
You're gonna give them $1,000 bajillion if they buy a crop top. Now go ahead and cop it. Link in the description.
Wabe said if it sell out, he gonna wear it.
I'll do that if y'all sell out the shirt, bro. This is how much the shit mean to me, bro.
Shit. I want to see Wabe in a crop top.
I do too.
What the?
Wait.
Wait.
I mean, like, I want us to sell out. That's what I meant.
His body T though, so like it's gonna look.
That's what I'm saying. Like,
yeah.
nigga, body T, fuck wrong with it, bro.
Waist snatched.
I see you been working out in the gym, bro.
Yeah, man, that's it. That's it for Humble Abode, man. I hope y'all enjoyed. One day we'll get back to thrifted or something, I guess. Right?
I just be buying shit like retail stores and shit.
Yeah.
Y'all don't want thrift no more?
I think we go more into like the Chrome Hearts like type of content.
Yeah.
I don't have that. I don't have Chrome Hearts type of bread. Y'all be DMing me. Y'all be saying, where the thrift is? We've been here for how long? I want to go thrifting. They don't. They talk about some, no, I'm done with that. You're not done thrifting until I tell you you're done thrifting. You gon' crop it, you gon' scream it, and you.
What I'm gonna do? Trouble.
Jonah, get the car.
You just gonna be Jonah. It's okay. Sorry for the hiatus. We're gonna be right back. This gonna be like, nigga, we gonna be so consistent. We gonna be so consistent. What are y'all?
Bro, keep talking.
We gonna be so consistent. Y'all gonna think we never left. Thank y'all. I love y'all. We gonna catch y'all on the next one.